Here's a little later model sports sedan, just in it unique, especially in classics. 2019 Kia Stinger GTS sedan. 3.3 liter twin turbo intercooled dual overhead cam V6 underneath the hood, capable of 365 horsepower, 376 pound-feet of torque. I believe top speed on these cars is close to 170 miles an hour, 0 to 60 in about 4.5 seconds, give or take 4.6, 4.7. You take a close look at the front fascia or front end cover. See the front parking sensors. This car actually was sold new in Arizona, where it spent its entire life before coming to us. Little over 23,000 miles on it. And we're going to open it up, start it up, check the exact miles, check out the odometer. I'll get you the exact miles on it, and pop the hood open, let you hear it run, all the usual. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, the engine bay, the interior, take a close look at them, take your time looking through them, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Michelin radials on it, Pilot Sports, replaced late in 21, so those do not have any miles on them. Good tread left. You can take a look up and down the passenger side. You can see this car is really pretty much free of much for nicks, dings, or scratches down the passenger side. We'll slip over, check out the driver's side also. This is the 19-inch optional wheel that's on there with the Brembo brakes. A couple things that are going to go with this. It does have a front end cover. Taking any sort of long trips, you want to protect the paint on the front end cover. Slip that on. Also a steering wheel cover. Protect the material on the steering wheel if you'd like. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see I do have the sunroof open. That would also be an optional, some of the optional equipment on it would be that sunroof. And speaking of equipment, this one does have the selective drive modes, launch control, limited slip differential, remote start, just to name a few. Again, still pictures. You want to see the underside, check out the trunk, the interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can see the tinted side windows and rear glass. Check with your local and state laws depending on the percentage of tint you can have there, FYI. Go ahead and take a look down the driver's side. See that appears to be free of much for nicks, dings, or scratches. Also well cared for car. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the interior a little bit. That 3.3 liter twin turbo is paired up with an 8-speed automatic transmission. You're going to have other modern amenities, of course, power windows, power locks, your mirrors, dual power seats in this one, of course, the leather seating surfaces, all your steering wheel controls for radio, cruise control, all of that, of course. This one would have a navigation system to it. And let's go ahead and there's your exact miles, by the way. So 23,565. Get to focus. Sorry about the glare. So what, 23,565? Push button start, of course. All right. Slip over here to the touch screen. There's your nav, radio, everything working on that. Of course, electronic, dual climate control, drive mode selector right here. This also has an auto start added with the key tag, if you can see that. Heated seats down here, parking assist. To name a few, do a little bit of research on these. Again, sold new in Arizona, then coming to us. Actual miles. Slip around to the back. I'm going to pop this hood while I'm here too. There we go. Slip around to the back, senior run. Have not noticed any modifications to this car. All right, slip up to the front. See if I can pop this hood one-handed. Check out the engine bay and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go. So take a look underneath the hood. Hood liner, you can tell, has not been driven in any sort of inclement weather. Very clean underneath there. And as you would expect with a car, it's only a few years old, but not a lot of miles on it. Very clean, tidy engine bay. Federation Orange is what they called the color of these cars on the GTS Stingers. So there you go, 2019 Kia Stinger GTS. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.